Welcome back to QA Ops. I'm glad you're here. Today we are completely rethinking performance testing, moving it out of the staging phase and directly into the CI/CD pipeline. Historically, performance testing has been treated as a final hurdle. Teams wait until a release candidate is ready, provision massive infrastructure, and execute a heavy load test. When performance bottlenecks are discovered this late, they are usually deeply embedded in the application's architecture, making them expensive and time consuming to resolve. To build true QA ops maturity, we must transition to continuous performance testing. This means shifting performance checks left and integrating them into the daily developer workflow. There are three core principles to establishing this architecture. First, performance as code. It is time to deprecate heavy UI driven legacy testing tools. Modern performance tests should be written in code using tools like K6 or Gatling. These scripts must live in the same repository as the application code, version controlled and peer reviewed. Second, component level baselines. You cannot run a 3-hour stress test or an overnight soak test on every single commit. To be clear, those long running tests still have a critical place in your strategy, but they belong outside the fast feedback CI/CD pipeline. They should be executed either as scheduled nightly jobs or post deployment in a dedicated environment. Inside the pipeline, you need lightweight component level tests targeting individual microservices, enforcing strict budgets like a 200 millisecond limit on the 95th percentile response time. Third, trend analysis over pass fail. While hard pipeline gates are important, continuous performance testing is truly about catching degradation over time. A single commit might only slow down an endpoint by 10 milliseconds. That won't breach a threshold or fail a build, but 10 consecutive commits doing the same thing will destroy your user experience. How can you start implementing continuous performance testing today? Take these 3 practical steps. Step 1. Select your single most critical API endpoint. Write a basic script using K6, simulating a small load of just 10 concurrent virtual users. Step 2. Define a strict threshold in that script. Instruct the test to fail if the error rate exceeds 1%, and wire this script into your CI tool to execute on every merge request. Step 3. Export your continuous test metrics to a time series database and build a visualization dashboard. To observe trend degradation daily, configure automated alerting based on moving averages. If your baseline response time drifts by 10% over 7 days, trigger a Slack alert to the engineering team so they can investigate before it becomes a production issue. Performance is not an afterthought. It is a core feature of your application. Test it continuously. Test it continuously. If you found this technical breakdown valuable, please hit the like button and subscribe to QA Ops. Keep testing, keep building.